Alright, YouTube land, we're back with another video. Today we have a Stryker SR440 sent in by Karl. Karl sent this radio in, wanted it checked out, had some issues, had a cold solder spot, and got to looking at it for him, and it turns out it's hacked up pretty good. So anyway, using the scope here on the service monitor, we can look at check the marker here at the top of this, at the peak here. At the positive peak, we're at the marker to the positive peak, and the radio is running 270% modulation. So that's what that's doing. That's what it looks like up here, and that's what it looks like there, 47 watts or so. So anyway, we're gonna check this thing out really good. One thing I did notice is it's TR32. I don't know if you can see it in there. Anyway, TR32, the modulation limiter in there is missing. And of course we've got our standard CV shop hackery going on there. So most of the slugs look good. They're not broke or anything. So anyway, shouldn't be too hard for us to get this straightened out. So we're going to work on the transmit on this thing, and we'll be back. Alright, we're back with the Stryker SR440 HP. We've got all the hackery out of it, and now we're going to check this. I've got it, the marker set on the negative peak right down here. We're running about negative 92, so 92%. On the negative peaks at let's see, about 35 watts PEP power. So let's change this over to the spectrum analyzer, and we're at 27205, negative 20 on the reference at 100 kilohertz. And that's 37 watts PEP. Looking real good. That's at 100. We can go to 50. Looking good. Our sidebands are right where they should be, about 50% of our carrier. So looking good. Looking good and clean. We can open this thing up. We go out to 110 megahertz. Okay. Not really seeing anything right up here. I'm seeing a little bit of our second harmonic. I've got a little something right here. I'm not sure what that is. I'm not even sure if that would be close to about 29 megahertz. But anyway, if you look at your reference right here where this dot is full scale, that's negative 20 dB. This is negative, I'll show you when the marker goes down. The marker is at negative 75, so this would be about 70 dB, 68 dB down. So whatever that is, it's not hurting anything, and it's not detectable. In fact, anything, if this was an amateur transceiver, anything that's, I believe, greater than negative 60 is acceptable. So, you know, we're in the ballpark. So, anyway, as far as the FCC is concerned on that, not that they would be concerned about this, because it's producing, well, we're producing about 40, actual power, I have to re-click that, about 36-37 watts is what the radio's doing. So anyway, Karl, we got her looking good for you. We're going to get this thing, I checked the receive's great on this thing. I wouldn't recommend, and I've gone through the receive chain on this. It's receiving fine. So we're going to go ahead and button this up, and we'll do an overview, and I'll be back. Alright, we're back, and we got the SR440 put back together, and so we'll look at it one more time at 110 megahertz. There we go. And let's turn the mic gain all the way down. I'm trying to get used to this LP100A. there's 10.5 watt dead key right there, and by putting the covers on, we kind of suppressed whatever that is. I'm not sure what that is, but anyway, that's a 10 watt dead key that we're running at. So we'll turn the mic gain all the way back up, and we're going to listen to this thing here in just a second. Let's turn the power all the way up, and we'll show you the power reading. Hello, 1 2 3 4. Hello, 1 2 3 4. And we turn the talk back up. Talkback works. Hello, 1 2, audio check. Let's listen to talkback. Hello. So basically, you got a 10 watt dead key modulating about anywhere from 35 to 39 watts on voice peaks. It hit 41 there. So according to this LP100A, which is dead nuts on pretty much with the Bird 43. Really liking that meter. I like it because I can. Hello, 1 2. Hello, check. My SWR is running 1.1 to 2, 1.12. So. Hello, that's good audio. So anyway, we can take the variable all the way down. Well, let me do this. Let's turn the talk back off with the variable. Let's let y'all hear this. So I'll turn this up. Yeah, we redid everything here. Got a chance when we was having to rebuild the service monitor. The RFIO module went out, and the lab I used sent me one, and I was concerned about that because I was worried about calibration and certification. But with a brand new IFRO module, which is the brains of that is actually what they calibrate. It holds fresh calibration, so kind of worked out. I got a fresh calibration, and immediately when it was plug and play, when I put that module in and turned this on, I watched it said downloading calibrated parameters or something, and it downloaded all that, and so we are as fresh can be. I'm actually going to talk to them about that being a new module, if it come with any kind of, the NIST certification or whatever. And the guy said he would see. There should be no reason why not. So working on that. Maybe they'll mail it to me. Who knows? But anyway, it's good to go for now. So we're going to listen to the Stryker here. I got a little echo on, so we'll be cool.
Hello, 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. That's 10 watts modulating audio. Check. About 40 watts PEP power. Now this Stryker 440 HP.
So anyway, we can turn the variable down here, and y'all can listen to it a little bit. I'm gonna work on them knobs. They kind of stick.
Hello, 1 2. All right, right there's a 1 watt dead key. Hello, check. 1 2 3 4. Modulating about 5.5 watts. Hello, 1 2 3 4. Audio check. 1 2 1 2.
So very clean at that power level, as you can tell the difference. So anyway, hello, 1 2. Audio check. So anyway, everything's looking good and sounding good and working good. So anyway, well, thanks to Harvey and thanks to being backed up, and thanks to this thing breaking down on me and all the bad luck I have, I'm knee deep in radios. I'm knee deep in projects still. I've got several amplifier projects and power supply projects coming up. I am currently not accepting any new business except for, we'll do alignments. I'm not accepting any repair business at this time, starting today. If you're needing a major repair, something that needs to be troubleshooted, you're going to have to use your backup technician or whatever, at least for probably 3 or 4 weeks. I've just got to get caught up. I am doing new radio cells at this time, new radio cells, alignments and tunes, all that. We're doing that business as normal. I'm not taking any amplifier orders yet or power supply orders, probably for couple of weeks anyway. If you want a quote, or if you want to talk to me about it, you know, you get with me in the comments. I have the phone number. You can still call me and get your quote and whatever. We can talk about what you want done. It just it's going to be a while before I can get started on it. So, well, we can talk about it. We can definitely talk about it. So, anyway, we're finally back up and running. I finally got me a little better work area. I was kind of cramped in here. Never did like the way the other setup. I can plug things in now. Got this and all that ready to go. So, anyway, you guys, we appreciate your support, and as always, y'all be safe, be careful, be kind. We got a lot to get to. We've got a whole stack of stuff to get to. And Karl, I'll give you a call on this, and we'll talk about your 148 that you sent also. So y'all be safe, be careful, be kind. We're going to get out of here. I'm going. I'll see you. Bye.